Hi, I am Karthik Rannan. I am the president of the Wall Street Club of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives while they try to navigate the world of finance. I am happy that we will be able to close this workshop successfully on a very good note.
Hi, I am Raghunendra Singh and I am the Technical Director of the Wall Street Club at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It was a great amazing conducting this workshop with XLR. The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets, which was very helpful for the people who are interested in the field of finance, business or analytics in general. Thank you.
I attended a workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
The journey was great. Initially, I thought that I was not proficient enough in Excel, but later I came to know there was no prerequisites for it, and then I applied for it, and it was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
Good evening, myself Kavya Ganatra. I am from Computer Science Association. I was the POC for this ML workshop conducted by CSI and ACM in collaboration with XLR. The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our technical fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Tasneem. I am the senior manager at 98 percentile in the HR department. And today we did a wonderful drive with XLR. It was amazing right from the very beginning, from the very first day when I got in touch with them till today. I think it was an extremely smooth journey with them. There were multiple follow-ups done by the representatives in order to check that we would be, what time would be coming, how many people would be coming, what vehicle we would get. To that extent, they were so precise in giving all the information to us. It was extremely great to get associated with them and have a drive at XLR campus. So we are very, very happy that we got a chance to do this. Now, coming to the students, what XLR had, I think they were extremely enthusiastic. They were well prepared. They were aware of what they are coming for. I think there was some back-end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and XLR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this.
Hi everyone, my name is Prachi Sharma and I'm the Senior Project Manager for IT Department at 90th Percentile. So today we were here for this IT Bootcamp, right, this technical drive and at XLR. So it was a great experience and I would feel that the students, they are the freshers, right, but it doesn't seem like that. So if I talk about their technical and cognitive ability, they all seems pretty good in that and that's what I felt. And I guess they have been taught pretty well at XLR, so that's how they have performed good in their aptitude and the technical tests. So I wish them all the best and it was a very great experience over here.
Hi, this is Patan, Technology Consulting Manager from 98th Percentile. We visited XLR for the campus placement drive and it went very well today. Miss Ambika, Miss Pragati, everyone received us greatly here and we had a lot of enjoyable time here. The students even had great experience with us. They were interactive, they had good aptitude and all the technological skills they showed. I think they were all well and we really appreciate their time that they spared to us and I think we will be doing a great job. We are expecting a lot of people to be hired from them. Let's see. It was a great experience altogether.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
From entering into the cyber tower to exiting out of this tower, the XLR team has been received me with such a care and pleasure.
I am the part of this XLR since 4 months. From the third month itself, they have conducted the placement sessions from the third month itself, and this is the fourth month, and this is the 98th percentile is one of the placement drive I have attended so far, and attending to this drive is such a good experience for me. all the HRs and the team made us feel very comfortable and confident.
XLR helped me a lot, and I experienced a lot of things today. So I'm really hope to be placed in that company. I'm confident about that. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Hope all are doing great. So inform your friends to join. We'll start the session within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Meanwhile, any questions you can ask me. So today we have a quiz at 8:30 on yesterday's topic. Okay. So any questions? Please let me know, or else we'll move to the session. So all good, or else tomorrow is a holiday, ma'am? No, we don't have a holiday. So tomorrow is the last date of this verbal ability. So tomorrow we are going to close this verbal ability. And Saturday we have a subject wise test on verbal ability, morning session. Okay. So I hope good to go. So yes, we'll hand over to the trainer. Yes, we have a Mr. Tamil Chelvan with us. Yeah, you can take up the class, Tamil Chelvan. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good evening to you all, students. Welcome back to the 13th session of verbal ability. Today we will be discussing sentence completion and improvement. Is my voice clear? Quickly confirm in chat if my voice is audible. Bhagyashree, good evening. Okay, I'm audible. We will start with some easy exercise and we'll slowly move on to some complex ones. I'm waiting for some more students to join. By the time we will start with the simple ones, I'll introduce you to sentence completion and improvement. We will start with the presentation today. I'll share my screen first. Is my screen visible to you all? Can you all see my screen? Okay. So there are different patterns of sentence completion. In some questions, you will have a single blank and 4 options to choose from. You will have to choose the best option among the 4. And in some pattern, you will be given 2 blanks. And for each blank, you will have a pair of words to choose from. So you will have to work it in pairs. When we discuss those examples, you will come to know about that. So here are a few tricks to follow, which will help you to solve sentence completion and improvement questions easily. Before we discuss, let me check the YouTube viewers and give them some information about today's session. So here are a few tricks. Okay. Good. Many students have logged in on time among the YouTube viewers. So these test your vocabulary and your ability to comprehend the sentences, understand what the sentence you intend to express. As I said, it will have either one blank or two blank. It will be followed by words or set of words, out of which you will have to choose the correct word to fill in the blank. Now, FIB, fill in the blank as they call it. So tricks to solve fill in the blanks. Do ask your friends to join. It's difficult to summarize everything once again for those who joined late. Only 20 odd students have joined. Others are yet to join. Okay, we begin. We'll continue. So to solve the fill in the blank questions, you should come up with our own words at times, or we'll have to choose based on the clues in the sentence. So you don't have to use any fancy words or any big GRE terms. Any phrase which will fit into it grammatically and contextually will be fine. Okay. So when you work out the examples, you will come to know. We will first start with the simplest one. I'll take you to the end of the slide, and then we'll start with the simplest ones, and then we navigate through the complex questions. Okay, we will start from here. Okay, the answers belong to something else. You don't have to worry about it. Now, I'll present this slide to you. Now, this is an example of single blank, and you will have to choose from 4 options given. You have 5 questions here, so quickly start answering them. These are simple ones, and slowly we will move on to the complex ones, and then the more complex, the difficult ones. Are you ready? Yotsna, Bhagyashree, only 2 of you have responded so far. Others, start posting your answers. These 5 are very simple. 6 in fact, 40 to 45. I hope all should score 6 on 6. Quick, I'll give you 2 minutes to complete your answers. When you post your answers, please post along with the option number. Tell me whether it is B or C or D. Yotsna has completed, Bhagyashree has completed. These are very simple ones. We will start from here and then slowly move on to complex ones. Are there anyone else waiting? I'll give you 30 seconds. Post your questions quickly and we will move on to the next slide. Quick. There is a new student who has started responding, Atullah Khan. Good evening, Atullah Khan. Quickly send the answers for other questions as well. Preeti Shravadi, Atullah Khan, Bhagyashree, Yotsana. Only 4 of you have responded so far. Inform your friends to join quickly. Neeraj has submitted. Very good. Neeraja. We'll go to the questions. I think you all would have started with the full score today evening. Let's check the answers. Okay, let's complete the rest and then we'll go to answers quickly. These are the simplest ones. Okay. Preeti Shravani has submitted all the answers for 46 to 51. Thank you very much, Kirti. Very good. Bhagyashree has completed all 11 questions from 40 to 51. Actually, in the previous slide, you had 40, 40 to 51. So 11. Okay. Yotsna also have submitted all 11. Neeraj, okay, so Neeraja, Kirti, Atula Khan, Bhagyashree, Yotsana has submitted all 11 answers. For the benefit of those who are still working it out, Nilofer, good evening. Nilofer has joined. He has submitted answers for all 11. We will wait for a few more seconds, for about 30 seconds, for the others to post their answers. You will have another 4 or 5 questions to complete before we move on to the answers. I would like to have a quick poll. How many of you find it very easy on a scale of 0 to 10? How easy it is? If it is 50-50, you can give somewhere around 5 or 6. If it is very easy, give 8 or 9. If it is very difficult, give less than 5. I need your scores here. How will you rate the difficulty level? Or how easy it is? If it is very easy, give 10. If it is very difficult, give 1 or 2. If it is in between, give 5 or 6. Out of this level, how did you feel? What did you feel about the complexity of the question? Respond quickly, give your scores. If it is very easy, give full marks, 10, 9 or 10. If it is very difficult, give the least marks, 1 or 2. Okay, Bhatyashree gives very easy, 10. Yotsana gives 9. Anybody who would give it, sir, 50-50, somewhere around 5 or 6? Quick. Okay, complete the rest of the exercise. 3 more. So from 40 to 54, you have 14 questions in this section. Quick. In a minute, we will go to the answers. Okay, only 2 has responded. 2 have responded. Quick. Okay, here is the answer, 40 to 54. Let me check how many have scored 100%. Mostly all have chosen D for 54th question, but the answer says it is C. Anybody who has chosen C as the answer for 54? All have chosen D. Okay, how many have scored 14 out of 14? Anybody? 14 out of 14? Actually 15. 40 to 54, it's 15. Bhakyashree says she has scored 12, and Atula Khan has also scored 12, missed out on 3 questions. Kirti Shravani 12. Actually, there are 15, not 14. I got it wrong. From 40, it is 40 to 54, it's 15. You see 3 columns and 5 rows here. The answer, so 15. Okay, all have scored 10 and above. Congratulations. Anything above 10 is a good score to start with. Kirti Shravani has scored 13 out of 15, Yotsana 13 out of 15, and then Nilofer 11 out of 15, Bhageshri 12, Atula Khan 12, Kirti Shravani 13. Okay. We will move to next level. Okay, 55 to 64 is the most toughest one. We will do that's the last. Okay. Now complete this quickly. This is bit of intermediate one, not very easy, not very difficult either. Okay. Give me the answer for all 5. Atullah Khan has completed 4. One more. Others, give me your answers. Post it in chat quickly. Okay, Nilofer, Bhageshri, Atullah Khan, Kirti Shivani, Yotsana. Okay, good. All of you have submitted the answers. Let me check. This is the answer with the detailed explanation. You can check and send your scores to the chat quickly. So Nilofer has scored 4 out of 5. Bhageshri has scored 4 out of 5. Atullah Khan, what is your score? And Kirti Shravani, Yotsna, please post your scores. Yotsna has got 2. Okay. I'm surprised. Atullah Khan has got 4. Not bad. Kirti says she has scored 1 out of 5. These are intermediate questions. First one, all must have got right because police cannot save or warn or patrol the right-on city. It should be patrol. Meaning of patrol is God. You have police patrol vehicle on the highways. During the night rounds, you see patrol, police patrol in the city, so it's patrol. Not one patroller, I say. Okay. Ward off. That's the correct expression. It is called ward off. Scientific and incipient. Third one. Scientists work to find out scientific evidence of incipient solar system in some parts of the galaxy. Okay. Let me see what is your score in the elementary level questions. So far we have discussed some easy and some complex one. This is very basic question. Hope all will get 15 out of 15. I'll give you some 3 to 4 minutes to work this out. Good to see few more students posting the answers. Kanikanti Sriharshini. Good. Make it fast. I could see some new students posting answers today. Tarak. Kanikanti Sriharshini. Okay, good. Shall we go check the answers? Can I get an yes? Okay. People watching us through YouTube, what is your status? How many of you have answered? Let me check. Okay, since all are ready for the answers, okay, 1 to 10. First check 1 to 10 with explanation. Give me your scores. Out of 10, how many is correct? And then we will go to the last 5. Quickly check your answers. Bhakeshri, Tishravani, Bharat, Kanikanti Sriharshini, Yotsna, Abdullah Khan Tarek, everybody. Quickly check your answers and post me the scores. Yotsna claims she has scored 10 on 10. Very good. Congratulations, Yotsna. Good attempt. Others, Bhakeshri also has scored 10 on 10. Congratulations, everybody. Others who has scored a 10 on 10. Yotsna, Bhakeshri. Send me your scores, please. Atullah Khan has missed out only 1. He has scored 14 correct. Congratulations, Atullah Khan. A very good attempt. Yotsana Nisla has also scored 14. Very good. Bhakeshri 15 out of 15. It's very interesting. Good. Good attempt. Kanikanti Sriharshini 13 out of 15. Very good. Others, quickly send me your scores. These are homophones and homonyms. We will go with both easy, intermediate, and the difficult ones. Shall we proceed? So complete this 2 first, and then we have 7 questions. Give me the answer for 1 and 2. One more student, Pratiksha Rajendra Kumar, has also posted her answers. Good. Okay. Shall we go to the answers? How many are ready to check the answers? Only Bhatyashree, others? Give me a response. How many are ready to check your answers? Only two? Others are not ready? One to seven. You have the answers here. On the top, you find the answers for 1 to 7. Jyoti got the first one right. CD, AF, BD. You got the first four right, Jyoti. Congratulations. CD, AF, BD. But again, you have mentioned BD. Fourth one is EF. Fifth one, you got it wrong. Sixth one is also wrong. Is that very difficult? 5, 6. C, C, D, E. Those who have mentioned just the letter, corresponding letter, check your answers and so you will have to practice more practice papers to improve your vocabulary. Okay. I'm giving you samples from all possible questions. One to seven, it's here. 8 to 11, it's here. First, complete 8 to 11. Yes. At times, instead of a word, you will have a phrase to choose from. Instead of a word, you will have a phrase. So you should be good at phrasal verbs and phrases in general. So try this. You will have to use a phrase instead of a word. Choose the appropriate phrase from the given alternatives and fill in the blank. Question number 27 to 30. Check this out. Test for yourself how good your mastery over phrases are. Quick. Shall we check the answers for 27 to 30? You have detailed answers with explanation. You can check for yourself. Kanikanti Sriharshini has scored 3 out of 4. All have missed out 1 or 2. Okay. Please have a copy of this material when it is available in LMS. Whenever you find time you can work out all these examples. Some might be difficult and some intermediate and some very easy. So, but you need to have an idea. It can be a single word or a phrase. At times you'll be given idioms to fill in the blank. You should have a good command over vocabulary in total, in all its form, be it phrasal verbs or phrases, idioms, fixed and semi-fixed expressions, everything you can expect in this section. Okay, so here almost everything means the same. We'll come back to it later. Okay, how about to complete this? Complete this quickly. This is a simple exercise. 1 to 14, 1 to 15. It's good to see students attending through YouTube is also responding. Students through YouTube are also responding well. I could get answers from Chittaluri Rupa, Akila Reddy, Usha. Only some are responding regularly through YouTube. I would like to get answers from some more. Thank you all very much for participating in the class activity, especially those watching through YouTube live. Do send in your answers quickly so that I can understand your level of vocabulary and your sentence completion skills. Thank you. Good. Answer this set of questions and we will move on to next model of questions. Okay. Bhakeshri has compiled all the answers. I'm waiting for some more to answer so that we can move to the next part of the question, 11 to 14. Shall we go to the next set of questions? Thank you, Kanikanti, Sri Harshini. Sri Harshini and Bhakeshri has completed. Others? Atula Khan, are you still working on the answers? Nilofer, Jyoti, and who else? Yotsana. Jyoti and Yotsana, if you have completed, kindly post your answers quickly. Very good. Yotsana has posted. How about Nilofer? Quick. I'll give you 30 seconds to submit your answers, and then we'll move on to the next part of the question. Quickly complete 11 to 15, and we can check the answers for all 15 together. Quick, complete in a couple of minutes. Shall we go to the answers? Students, shall we move to the answers? Give an S. Others respond quickly. Okay. Let's go check with the answers here. You have answers with explanation, with detailed explanation. So even if you feel that I have made a mistake, you can refer to that answer and then can learn what was your mistake and why is the answer given here is the right answer. First check with the first 10 and I'll take you to the next slide which has 11 to 15. First check your answers for 1 to 10. Quick and send me your scores in chat. Do it fast. Very good. Congratulations, Sri Harshini, Bhagyashree. Both have scored 10 on 10. Very impressive. Good. Quickly check the next 5 as well. And send me your overall scores. Okay, good to see both of you scoring 15, all 15 correct. Congratulations. Sri Harshini, Bhagyashree and Atullah Khan has also scored full marks. Good. Others? Okay. We still have about 15 to 16 minutes. Okay. We will now give me a choice. You need simple ones or difficult ones? Last 10-15 questions. You need easy ones or difficult ones? Yes? I need a quick response. Okay, Barkesh Tree has opted for difficult ones. For others? Sriharshini? Atullah Khan? What kind of questions do you want? Difficult one, okay. So, why don't you try not this one? Okay. Wait, the alignment is not ready. Exercise 1 and 2. No, you will have to choose from, yeah, this exercise 2. Shall we move on to the next one? Thank you, Praveen. You have posted your answer. Okay. We will move on to the next 3 and 4. Quick. So after the fourth one, you can check the answer for 1 to 4. Have you all completed 1 to 4 first of all? If you want me to go back to the previous slide, I can. 3 and 4 is what you see on screen. 1 and 2, if anybody want me to display that, I'll go back to it. Do anybody want the question 1 and 2 once again for a review or to check your answers? You can mention that in the chat box. Shall we check the answers? Have you all completed? We are left with only 5 minutes before you begin the quiz. So, since you asked for a complex, difficult one, I've given you this exercise before we complete, before we call it a day today. Okay, let me quickly take you to the answers 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have it here on the top of the slide. You have your answers for 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many have got it right? Quick. 3, okay. 3 out of 4 is very good score, 75%. 3 out of 4 is 75%. Very good, Jyoti. Others, Yotsana, what's your score? Bhakyashree, Yotsana, Sriharini, Jyoti. Okay, 3 by 4 is Bhakyashree's. Jyoti has scored 3, okay. Others. Okay. So complete 5 and 6. Before we wind up for the day, when we complete 5 and 6, do we have some more? Let me check. Yes, we have 7, 8, 9 as well. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 5 more. Please answer quickly. Students, you have shared the answers for 5 and 6, Vakeshri and Atullah Khan. So make a note of these questions, take a snapshot. You can complete the answers. We have come to the end of the session today. We will have some more patterns to discuss in tomorrow's class. The first half will be on substituting sentences and improving sentences. We will cover that and move on to tomorrow's topic. So thank you all very much. We will check the answers tomorrow for this 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Keep working on it. You can take a snapshot. And as soon as we begin the session tomorrow, you can start posting the answers. We will discuss these answers first and then move on to the session. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Tamal Chalvan. If you're done means I will take up the quiz.
Yeah. You can proceed with the quiz now.
Yeah, thank you so much. So yes, guys, be ready. So today quiz is reading comprehension. I'm sending the link. So please read the paragraph. Okay, I gave 30 minutes time. Okay, carefully read that and answer the questions. Okay. So guys, if you're done means please let me know. So I will share the attendance link. Okay. Yeah, done. Okay. So guys, if you're done means please let me know. So I will share the attendance link. Okay. Yes, I sent the attendance link. Please mark your attendance. Everyone is very excited. So meanwhile, I will share top 20 as well. Okay. So after that, wind up the session. So this is our top 20. Congratulations, guys. How was the paper? I thought it's medium. Good. Okay. Is that useful? Yeah. Okay. So I got only one response. Remaining people, I think you are busy with filling attendance. Okay. After that, you can tell me how was the paper. Happy Shivratri, ma'am. Yes, thank you so much. Wishing a very happy Shivratri. So, Ravindra, you said yes, ma'am. Means what? Like, is that easy or medium? Difficult? Even Nagavamshi Kiran, yes, ma'am. So, how can I take that? Medium, easy. Tomorrow also class is there. Same time, 6:30 to 9. Okay. Tomorrow, do we have session? Yes, we have. So Saturday, we have a subject voice test on verbal ability. Okay, be prepared for that. So exam will be 11:30 to 12:30. Morning session. Any questions, guys, or else we'll wind up the session. Yes, Mojesh, tell me, what's your query? Shall we leave? Yes. If you don't have any queries, you can leave the session. Ma'am, this course is free or paid. So this is full of free of cost. Okay, on certificate. So this is a free of cost course. So for the certificate, we see your attendance. 60% attendance, or else we'll see consistency in your attendance. Okay. So based on that, we will provide a participation certificate from iHub. When will you post our attendance percentage? So after completion of this program, I will send that attendance percentage. Tomorrow give us holiday. So we already scheduled the meeting. We can't able to postpone that, Ravindra. So please understand. To whom you paid, Mojesh? Please let me know that. So we didn't ask any money for the LMS portal. If you paid means you paid to wrong persons, maybe. Rajalakshmi may be your name in under the 20. Okay, ma'am, we have end semester exam on Saturday. Okay, Harshini, no problem. You can carry on with that. Okay. I hope there is no more questions. So anyone missed to join our WhatsApp channel, please let me know. I will share the link. Tomorrow also we have a quiz because we have to complete the portion of all quizzes, no? So today's topic and tomorrow's topic. So I'm combining both the topics and I'm giving the quiz tomorrow. Okay. Okay, then we'll wind up the session. Happy Shivratri, everyone. Be happy always. Okay. So be practice. Good night. Bye bye. We'll meet on tomorrow.